Okay, top 5.
Here we go.
The first delegate to make it to our final 5 is USA!
USA just made it.
Number 5 in the competition is Jamaica!
Who is it gonna be? Only 3 spots left. Earning spot number 3 is Philippines!
Only 2 spots left in the top 5. Who will it be?
Who do you want to see in our top 5?
I can't hear you. Louder. Please welcome Puerto Rico.
And ladies are still hoping to advance to the next round. But there's only 1 spot left.
This is
Keeping the dream alive is...
Vietnam.
Who's gonna be? Congratulations to Vietnam!
And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Say hello to your final 5.
Here's your top 5 finalists, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause!
Thank you to all